Hello and welcome back. I am Nina Simone, and today we're talking about when parents quietly neglect themselves. I want to talk today about a form of neglect that often goes unnoticed because it doesn't look dramatic. It looks responsible. It looks loving. It looks like putting everyone else first. But over time, it costs you more than you realize. Most parents don't wake up and decide to neglect themselves. It happens quietly. You stop resting. You stop checking in with your emotions. You stop doing things that once made you feel like you. And you tell yourself, I'll deal with myself later. I just need to get them through this first. But here's what self neglect actually looks like over time. You feel emotionally numb. You feel disconnected from your body. You feel guilty when you rest. You feel uneasy when things are calm. And many parents tell me, I don't even recognize myself anymore. Neglecting yourself does not make you a better parent, it makes you a depleted one. You were never meant to disappear in the process of loving your child. Scripture reminds us that our bodies are temples, that rest is holy, that stewardship includes you. Caring for yourself is not a betrayal of your child, it's an act of trust in God. I want you to ask yourself gently, where have I been running on empty? What have I been ignoring in myself because it felt less urgent? Just notice, no fixing yet. Restoration doesn't require a big overhaul. It starts with permission. Permission to rest, permission to feel, permission to exist outside of crisis. In the next episode, we're going to talk about what happens when your entire life goes on hold and how to gently begin living again. You matter, and your peace matters too.